Hello and welcome back to Sherwood Park Toyota. Today we're taking a look at a 2023 Toyota GR Supra in the color gray. Let's take a look. So starting up front here with the LED headlights and customary daytime running lights. If you look across the front bumper here, you will notice these little nodules the whole way around. These are the front parking sensors. Moving along to the sides, of course, we've got our alloy wheels here and our side mirrors with integrated turn signals and blind spot monitoring. Coming up to the back here, you'll once again notice along the back bumper area we have more of the parking sensors. And in order to open up the back hatch here, you can either use the button on the remote, or you can go inside of the cab. And on the door, just underneath the speaker, we have the button for the release. Simply lift up. The hydraulics lift itself up. So first thing you might notice is this little black piece here. This is your interior cargo cover, which is attached on either side as you see, which means it is fully removable. Helps to keep all of your goods private to any prying eyes. Taking a look here. In the back we have the Supra branded carpet matting, and looking forward we have the fans here. Now underneath this back area here, if you go underneath the carpeting, you'll notice this little piece. This area is fully removable, and in the back trunk area here is where your battery is stored. And on the right hand side in the back here, you'll notice this little panel, fully removable as well. This is where you have your fuse box. And of course, to close it up, there are these little handles up top here. Simply reach up and gently pull down. Beautiful. Next, let's take a look at the inside. So this time as we approach your driver's door handle, we'll take a notice of this little round circle, as well as the lines inlaid here. This indicates it is a keyless entry vehicle, and by simply touching your hand here, you lock and unlock. On the inside of your driver's door panel, we have, first of all, next to your handle, the power lock system. Above that is where we have the controls for your power windows and your side mirrors, which are able to fully fold in. Keep them nice and tucked away and safe. Take a minute to just take a look here at what your interior looks like. We do have the black leatherette with all of the white inlaid stitching. And this is also where you will be able to notice your memory seat settings, as well as the power controls for the seat, up, down, back, forth, and your lumbar support on the end here. If you're looking for your hood release latch, simply locate it on the bottom left-hand side by your pedals. Above that, we have the controls for your headlamps, as well as for your dash brightness. So now going in, taking a look at your driver's steering wheel, first thing to notice are the manual paddle shifters up top here. Then on the left-hand side is where you have the controls for your fully adaptive cruise control settings, including the sonar. And we also have the controls on the right-hand side for your radio settings, your hands-free communication, and your volume control. Here in the middle, this is your infotainment center. This is where you access much of the information about your daily driving experience, including your navigation system. As we can see here. And you also have all of your audio listening through this system as well. While it is a touch screen, you're able to manipulate it that way, but if you're in the middle of driving and don't feel like doing that, the easier way, at least in my opinion, is through this little round piece in the middle here. It twists and turns, up, down, sideways, in the middle, everything, and also has all of your options displayed on the panel here without having to look at the screen every second to find what you're looking for. Just beneath your screen here, this is where you have your radio controls in the middle here. This unit does come with AM, FM, and satellite radio, as well as full Bluetooth connectivity and optional adapters for USB and aux. Next to the different radio station settings is where you have your push start ignition here. And underneath that, this is your climate control center. This unit does come with dual climate control so that you and your front passenger can have your own unique temperature settings at all times. We also have the defrost for your front and rear windshield located here, as well as heated seats for you and your front passenger too. Just beneath that, we have a little storage space back here, which is specially designed to fit your smartphone. It is a wireless charging pad as well as keeping it safe with this little slotted additive on top here. We also have your 12-volt adapter on the right and that USB aux adapter on the left there too. I already looked over here, but we're going to take a look quickly at your stick shift here. We have this very unique setting here, which involves mostly the use of buttons, easy to get a hold of. And then behind that, you have your different varieties for your sport modes and your traction control settings. Last but not least is looking upwards, up top, to where we have your overhead lighting. Thanks again, folks, for coming with us on this full video tour of this 2023 Toyota GR Supra in the color gray. It is located here at Sherwood Park Toyota at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta. You can also reach us at 780-306-7703. And remember, life is full of choices. Let us be yours.